Finding the perfect RC car can be challenging with so many options on the market. Maybe you're frustrated with RC cars that don't perform well on rough terrains, or you're tired of models that claim to be fast but don't deliver when it counts. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or you need something tough enough to handle off-road adventures, the right RC car is out there to give you the experience you crave. And don't worry, we included links in the description so you can check prices or buy the one that suits you best. Let's dive in. The Hayboxing 4-wheel drive 18859E is a fantastic starter for those who need a versatile car that's built for performance across multiple terrains. This model combines speed, durability, and a rugged 4-wheel drive that can tackle rough surfaces. Designed for adventurous use, it performs especially well on both grass and rocky paths, making it ideal for outdoor play. Its waterproof electronics allow you to keep racing even in unexpected weather, so you can rely on this car for both rainy days and muddy conditions without hesitation. It's also designed with shock-absorbing suspension, allowing it to take on jumps and rough landings with ease, which is a great feature for users who love a bit of thrill. With a powerful brushed motor that gives it plenty of torque and a high speed for its size, the Hayboxing 4-wheel drive 18859E is one of the top choices for those who want an RC car that can handle the rigors of regular play. If you're looking for a balance of power and resilience, this is a top pick for all-around driving, perfect for beginners and seasoned drivers alike who want something tough and dependable. If you're all about speed and adrenaline, the HyperGo H16BM won't disappoint. Built with a powerful brushless motor, this model reaches impressive speeds and has a heavy-duty suspension to manage rocky terrains with ease. This model's 4-wheel drive system gives it an extra grip, making it stable even when speeding over sand or rough ground. It's designed to stabilize at high speeds thanks to its gyro system, making it one of the top choices for serious RC racers who want a thrilling, high-speed experience. With oil-filled shock absorbers that help cushion any impacts, this car is ideal for jumps, drops, and challenging courses that put both the car and driver to the test. The HyperGo H16BM's build quality and stability give it an edge on rugged surfaces, and it's well suited for those looking for a fast, stable car that can handle a variety of driving environments. With this model, you can enjoy top-tier racing action with confidence, knowing that this car is built for both power and precision, making every drive an exhilarating experience. The Jetwood JC16 EP offers a unique blend of power and precision, with rugged tires and an adjustable suspension that allows you to take on uneven surfaces smoothly. This car's 2.4 GHz remote control provides excellent range and control, making it ideal for long-distance maneuvers and technical driving. It's a model for those who value control, allowing drivers to fine-tune their handling for a seamless driving experience. The metal chassis provides extra durability, helping the Jetwood JC16 EP hold up to tough impacts and longer play sessions without a drop in performance. If you enjoy a controlled, smooth drive over mixed terrain, the Jetwood JC16 EP offers an engaging driving experience that's particularly suited for those who want a model that can handle a mix of speed and finesse. The high-grip tires also allow for better handling on tricky surfaces like sand and loose gravel, making it ideal for backyard driving, beach play, or dirt tracks. Whether you're practicing technical maneuvers or just cruising around, this model offers stability and control you can rely on. For durability and waterproof features, the LA Legendary RC car is an outstanding choice. Built to withstand harsh conditions, this model is fully waterproof, letting you race through puddles, mud, and wet grass without missing a beat. With a solid brushed motor and tires that grip well even on slippery surfaces, this car is made for adventurous drivers who need an RC vehicle that can handle rough play and wet conditions without compromising on speed or excitement. The metal ball bearings used in its construction help reduce friction, extending the life of the components and allowing for smoother rides. Its 2.4 GHz remote control offers a strong range and low interference, so you won't lose control even when there are multiple RC cars around. The Legendary model is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves racing in unpredictable weather or exploring outdoor terrains where splashes and muddy spots are inevitable. It's also a good choice for kids who enjoy taking their car off-road, as it can easily handle rough play and even some accidental bumps or crashes. Plus, with adjustable speed settings, it's a good pick for all levels, from beginners to more seasoned RC enthusiasts. Another solid performer from Hayboxing, the 18859A, focuses on all-terrain versatility and endurance. This model includes a fast brush motor, four-wheel drive capability, and a shock-absorbing frame, making it highly durable for various terrains like grass, gravel, and dirt. The 18,859A's suspension system and frame design also make it incredibly resilient, with the ability to withstand knocks and jumps without taking on damage. This RC car includes dual battery packs, which effectively doubles your driving time for extended play sessions. The remote control is user-friendly, with a good range and easy setup, making it accessible to newcomers as well. It's a dependable option for those looking for a car that's not only fast, but also built to withstand bumps and scrapes, giving users a smooth drive with stability and control on unpredictable surfaces. The high-boxing 18859A is perfect for anyone who values longevity and wants a vehicle that will provide consistent performance over time. If control and customization are high on your priority list, the DRC 9500E is sure to impress. This model offers an adjustable throttle, letting you easily control the speed to match your skill level or preference. Beginners can start at lower speeds and gradually increase as they build confidence, while more experienced drivers can push the car to its limits. The durable build and long-lasting battery make it a great pick for extended play sessions. With a top speed of 30 miles per hour, it's among the fastest in its category, so it's perfect for races and high-speed adventures. The DRC 9500E also includes oil-filled shocks, allowing it to absorb impacts from jumps and rough landings more effectively. The sturdy frame and reinforced bumpers make this model resistant to crashes, and the overall construction is focused on customization and longevity. It's perfect for drivers who want to adjust settings on the go and fine-tune their car's speed and responsiveness for an adaptable experience that can grow with you. Lastly, the DRC 1421 combines speed with rugged durability, perfect for tackling off-road adventures. Its advanced four-wheel drive system and large, gripping tires offer great traction on different surfaces, while the 2.4 GHz remote provides strong responsiveness over longer distances. Built with a high-torque motor, it can reach impressive speeds that make it exciting for both casual play and more intense driving sessions. With its reinforced frame and durable components, this model is ideal for those who want a long-lasting RC car that can handle a little rough play without compromising performance. The DRC 14210 also includes a built-in LED light, which is a fun addition for nighttime racing and adds a cool factor for evening outdoor sessions. With its impressive speed and steady build, this model is ideal for both casual and enthusiast drivers who want a solid performer that's ready for any terrain. In summary, each of these RC cars shines in its own way, offering unique advantages based on your needs. The Hayboxing four-wheel drive 18859E and 18859A models provide reliable all-terrain versatility with durable builds and waterproof features, making them great for rough outdoor play. For those craving high speed and stability, the Hypergo H16BM is a top contender, delivering a thrilling and stable racing experience thanks to its brushless motor and gyro stabilization. The Jetwood JC16EP is a great choice if you're after precision and control, with a sturdy frame and excellent suspension for technical driving. For extreme durability in wet conditions, the LA Legendary RC car excels, built tough for all-weather use. The DRC 9500E stands out with its customizable speed settings, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned drivers who enjoy tweaking their performance settings. Lastly, the DRC 14210 brings a high-torque motor, large rugged tires, and a fun LED light, making it perfect for nighttime or off-road adventures. Each of these options provides a different set of strengths, so you're sure to find one that matches your driving style and preferred terrain. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details or to purchase the one that best matches your RC goals. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest RC reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.